Every day, people all around the world work with our products. We help our customers to succeed, be it within the power, shipping, transport or process industry. Over the last 100 years, we have been on a fantastic journey and are now heading into the future with an impressive arsenal of technical solutions. Our customers must feel sure that they will always get the right equipment and the best service, and be confident that we will keep our word. It's a question of trust. Over the course of 100 years, ESAB has established a vast amount of trust based on our expertise, our innovative products, and our long tradition of dialogue and collaboration with our customers. Integrity means that we care. We care about our customers and we care about our products. This means that we are always working to find new ways to improve the functionality and quality of our products, but also new ways of looking after our customers. This results in world-class products, support and service. We care about our employees and we care about the environment. In real terms, this means that we try to conserve energy and natural resources, prevent pollution, provide safe workplaces, and supply safe products. For ESAB, the story began in 1904, when the engineer Oskar Kjellberg invented the coated electrode, which he then patented a couple of years later before founding Elektriska Svetsningsaktiebolaget ESAB in Gothenburg on the west coast of Sweden. It was research and development that led to ESAB's first patent, and it is through research and development that we can continue to offer specially adapted solutions that make any job faster, safer and more cost-effective. An example of our expertise is our beam welding machines. Beams of the highest quality are a requirement for large modern steel constructions such as bridges, skyscrapers, industrial buildings and arenas. Another example of ESAB engineering's continuous development is Telbo, a telescopic boom with several unique features. The most obvious is how compact it is. Where a conventional boom requires as much space behind as in front, a Telbo only takes up a fraction of the space. Telbo is used, for example, in the manufacture of wind turbine towers and platform pillars for offshore oil rigs. Innovation, the capacity for new thinking and to quickly create fresh solutions, is fundamental for our success. We live to develop new products that can help our customers to increase quality while saving time and money. It isn't technology just for the sake of it. We are innovative and groundbreaking in order to be able to renew and improve our customers' operations. We are passionate about delivering results. Innovation doesn't just require new thinking and imagination. Innovation also needs broad and deep knowledge of welding automation and the differing needs of our customers. Friction stir welding is one of the techniques in which we are world leaders. Through friction and high pressure, the metal in two separate pieces flows together without melting. The weld joint consists of the original metal and no impurities are created. The result is as strong as the original metal and requires minimal post-treatment. The technique is used in very demanding situations, such as in passenger ferries, trucks, and rocket fuel tanks. Our world-leading narrow gap technology is a process for submerged arc welding of narrow joints in thick materials of both large and small diameters. Compared to conventional techniques, narrow gap can significantly reduce welding time and at the same time reduce the consumption of filler material. The technique is used for welding turbine shafts for the power industry and large reactor vessels for the nuclear industry. Hybrid laser technology combines the best of both worlds. The deep weld penetration and low heat transfer of laser welding combined with the excellent welding characteristics of MIG or MAG technology. Weight-optimized ship sections, steel bridge constructions and excavator arms are just some examples of the technology's areas of use. Another example of our efforts to satisfy our customers' requirements for quality, price and delivery reliability is that we manufacture the bulk of our products ourselves and apply the lean production philosophy. This means that we use standards and clear structure to eliminate waste in all aspects of production. The heart of manufacturing is in Laxor. This is where we manufacture not only welding machines, column and boom, but also circuit boards, power sources and lots more besides. Our turnkey solutions are complete installations that, in addition to welding equipment, also contain, for example, portals, column and boom, or our advanced roller beds, which are a requirement for handling and welding large cylinder-shaped objects. Machines for manufacturing chains of all lengths and sizes are another example of products with a high level of automation developed in Laxor. When you choose to work with us, you don't just get a supplier. You gain a long-term partner that is never more than a phone call away. Regardless of whether we help you over the telephone or if you receive a visit from one of our talented local technicians, you can be sure that we are always there for you and will do our best to keep your production running without exception. We can also tailor training for your specific needs, for example process training or training in filler materials. Led by integrity, experience, innovation and partnership, we continue to develop in order to offer our customers the best products and services on the market. This is how we do business. This is how we look after our customers. This is how we reach our goals.